If you want to get ahead of 99% of people who watch YouTube, do not miss out on this video. If you could use YouTube for your advantage, you will not only learn a lot more, get a lot more value out of YouTube, but also apply it in your own life so you can actually start seeing change instead of just watching a video, forgetting about it, and then moving on to the next, wasting hours of your life every single day, which piles up to years of time. As soon as I started trying to apply the things I'm about to talk about, which are really easy to change, I instantly felt progress and genuine change in my own life. So I don't want you to miss out on this. I finally started going to the gym, getting productive, filling up my days with more meaningful, purposeful things like sports and stuff like that, creating this own channel. Now, the first thing which I changed, which instantly made me see progress, was not necessarily stop watching videos completely on YouTube, but changing the videos I watched. The way I like to think about it is, if you can't get something out of a video, if you can't learn something, if you can't apply it in your own life, don't watch it. You probably shouldn't. There's probably better videos you can watch instead. Now, I'm not saying every video has to be some kind of low dopamine, calm video. It can be sometimes like an entertainment video, but if you can try to derive a lesson from it. Like, I watched a movie recently. I usually don't watch movies at all. I watched a movie with my friends, and it was Now You See Me 3, by the way. It was a fire movie. I love magic and stuff, but I liked it. And most importantly, I didn't just want to watch that 2-hour-long movie and not get anything from it. I want to try to learn from it and see how I can apply it with my own life. And some part in the video, they said, not in the video, the movie, the 2-hour-long movie, they said this quote. It was something along the lines of, make magic out of the cards you're dealt with. So it just made me realize, like, oh, I can do that with my own life. I can use what I have to my advantage and make magic out of it, do cool stuff. So if there isn't anything like that, where it's like, oh, that was a fun movie, I wonder what I want to watch next. If you don't like think about it or how it can like change your life, you probably shouldn't do it. And if you do learn something, write it down, apply it right away. Like I had with that movie I watched, I started thinking about it. I just told you so I can remind myself and hold myself accountable to keep on doing it. But I wrote it down when I got home. Make magic out of the cards you're dealt with. It makes me live my life with more meaning. So use YouTube with a purpose. Don't have a bunch of tabs open of different YouTube videos you want to watch. Watch one video at a time. After you finish watching it, think about how it can help you, how you can learn stuff from it, and then apply it in your life. Take notes. The less videos you watch and the more you can do, the more times you could be like, oh, my life is a movie. My life is a entertaining, fun YouTube video. I don't need to watch a YouTube video to feel entertained. I can just live my own life and be entertained by that itself. The more you can think like that, the more time you'll save, the more stuff you'll do in your life, resulting in the more things you can learn and experience and grow as a person. Hope you like the environment. I also feel like there's things that you shouldn't do, which make it clear on what you should do. So the don'ts for YouTube watching would be to watch a video and completely forget about it. Another thing which is important, I really want to emphasize, watching a video because you don't know what else to do. If you're watching YouTube videos because you're bored, you don't know what else you can do, that's not a good sign. Oh, we don't know what to do. I'm bored. It's right in front of me. It's easy. Let me just scroll, and then we watch hours of stuff. But I stopped doing this when I realized, well, okay, why am I going on YouTube? Is there other things I can do? What are 3 other things I can do besides just watch a YouTube video? Understand that it's better to apply things in your life and learn like that than watch something and learn like that. I hope that makes sense. So the final key point I want to talk about is creating more than you consume. Whether it's like creating videos instead of watching them, creating opportunities, creating a chance for you to get better. The more you can create those opportunities, those moments in your life, and the less you can consume, you can take, the more you give, the more you'll get out of life. The more you give, the more you'll get. That's the mindset I want to talk about. And I understand that this doesn't mean that you never have to watch a YouTube video again. I understand that it can be hard with feeling like you have no motivation or desire to do anything else. You kind of feel like, oh, well, I feel like I have nothing to do besides just watch YouTube videos. Or it's something like none of my friends or I don't have anyone else that can relate to me. And I completely get that. Which is why I actually created this community with over 100 people in it. It's called the Screen Time Challenge, where basically we just have fun, talk to each other, get to know each other, have fun, and challenge ourselves to lower our screen time, go outside more, do other things to learn and acquire knowledge while getting more out of life. It's a really great community. I have people in there like Sophia and Vlad who have distinguishedly made progress, who cut down hours and hours of their screen time. People like Jaden who went from watching YouTube all day to not even watching YouTube at all. So many people like that, and you can be one of those people as well. I highly recommend you checking it out. There's more info on that page. This will help you also hold you accountable to actually apply all of these things so you can learn quicker, you can live more purposeful, you can stop wasting hours that result into years of your life. You will literally feel healthier and happier about life so you can have more time to do other things. So stop waiting for a change. This is the next step you need to take so you can start challenging yourself and having fun, talking with like-minded people who connect to you. So check out that community in the description. Have a great day. I'll see you later.